Hi, I'm Hayden Lyons, owner of Lyons Diesel Maintenance here in Maryborough, Queensland, proudly servicing the Fraser Coast. We like to say that we service everything between the number plates on a huge range of vehicle. We don't limit ourselves to diesel. It can be petrol, four-wheel drive, smaller vehicles, plant and equipment, the bigger heavy commercial vehicles, mining equipment, whatever the customer's needs are, we will try our best and try and go above and beyond to reduce their downtime and make it happen for them. I started Lyons Diesel Maintenance back in 2000, I believe. I'm pretty sure I was still an apprentice, and I had some people within the industry that wanted their cane trucks serviced of a night time after I'd finished working with Cornwall Logging, it was at the time. So I'd do my day there and I'd go and service the cane trucks down the sugar mill of a night time, and on the weekend I had a fleet of bobcats and mini excavators I was looking after for a mate of mine who basically become a customer for years and years. And then the hobby sort of carried on to where it became too big to handle with that and working for Cornwall's full time. So decided to take the plunge and go out on my own. We built a workshop at home, worked there for a few years, outgrew it. We ended up with trucks backed up out the driveway, taking up the neighbourhood, and moved into this shed here, and the rest is history. This is one of Adam Hegge's SARs, powered by Cummins. He's brought us into us today to work on and do a bit of maintenance on. Adam's a good customer of ours. Enjoy working on his gear. Turns out it needs oil. We really enjoy and have a passion about the heavier North American product. We enjoy servicing the bigger fleets, the heavier commercial vehicles. It's what we started out doing. It's what we enjoy doing. I put myself through Cummins training when I decided to go out on my own, and I decided that I needed to keep myself up with the game, and I was no longer leaning on other tradesmen to learn the trade, so I decided to put myself through a few courses with Cummins. We still believe that training and training our techs are a big part of what we need to keep on top of, and we keep up with that on a monthly basis. 1-800 Hose Vans is a Hardy Spicer-backed hose franchise. We brought that on board just to complement everything else that we're doing within the workshop here, so that we truly are becoming a one-stop truck stop for all maintenance needs, everything from the front of the vehicle to the back of the vehicle. We do enjoy giving back to our community, whether it be from a financial point of view or product support and knowledge, or helping the kids or guys out, whatever the case might be. Quite passionate about Maryborough, Hervey Bay and the Fraser Coast. There's a few sports teams out there, but quite a few speedway cars out there that we help on board with that, with once again product and knowledge, and getting in behind and helping those guys achieve what they want to set out to do. Thanks, mate. I've been dealing with Torquepower probably 15 years or so. We always go back to Torquepower for our Cummins supply. Their product knowledge is great. They go above and beyond to make sure it leaves their depot that day, and the volume of parts within their supply or within their reach is second to none.
Torquepower Diesel, we like to support local repairers like Hayden Lyons, help them support their local operators. We supply the right parts the first time, and we also do it very quickly, which helps minimise our customers' downtime.
Excellent, mate.
Thanks, mate. Good on you.
Cheers.